Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to automate your Stripe payments to send automatic emails to customers after they pay. First, log into your Stripe dashboard. On the left side, find and click on Products. Here, we will create a simple automated product. Click Add Product, give your product a name and set the price. Then, look for a section called After Payment. Click on it. Here, you will see an option for email. Turn on the email toggle. Now you can customize the automatic email your customer receives. You can write a thank you message and include the receipt. Once you save this product, the automation is live. Now, whenever a customer buys this using a payment link, Stripe will instantly send them your customized email. And that's it. You've just set up a fully automated payment and email system, perfect for selling digital products or just sending a quick thank you. If this automated your workflow, please like and subscribe. See you next time.